Hello and welcome. This video is about saving time, so let's jump right into it. I'm going to show you how you can use AI in your workflows. And for this purpose, we are going to look at a very specific workflow. So in this scenario, we are looking at how an HR representative can use AI to prepare for an interview. And we are going to use AI to prepare for the interview, and the whole thing will be done locally on my computer, and it will not cost anything. The AI that I am going to use is completely free, so I can use it, you can use it, it will not cost you anything. So let's say that I am an HR representative and I want to prepare for a technical interview. So I'm going to interview a programmer for a programming job, but I am not a technical person and I want to prepare for this interview so that I can ask technical questions, and I also want to be able to determine whether the answers are good. So I'm going to ask the AI for help with this. So I'm going to ask the AI to look at the job description, the job ad, and I'm going to ask the AI to give me 10 questions that I can ask based on the job ad. And I will also ask the AI to tell me things that should be in a good answer. So I am not only going to get 10 questions, I am also going to get suggestions for what to look for in the answer so I can determine whether the answer is a good answer. So I will start with uploading a file to the AI that contains the job description. So I click here on, we have a normal chat setting. Here we have a chat input, and this is where we are communicating with the AI. And here we have an upload file button where we can click and then we can choose a file for uploading. So here we have a file called job description web developer, and this file contains the job description. So I'm going to double click it to choose it. And now the contents of the file are added to this chat. So the description that we have posted online to look for a programmer is now in the chat. Along with the job description, there is also a short prompt that contains instructions to the AI that tell the AI to generate a list of 10 screening interview questions. For each question, provide a look for hint that tells me what a good answer sounds like. So this is what the AI is going to give me. So now I just click send, and I am sending the prompt to the AI. So what I'm sending to the AI is the job description along with the instructions. So now it says here that the model is reading and thinking. So now locally on my computer, at the computer that I am sitting at now, the AI is digesting this information and is working on giving me an answer. At the moment, I am sitting at a standard, ordinary office laptop. It is not optimized for AI in any way. It's just a normal laptop like people are using in offices all over the world. The AI is running locally on my computer. This particular AI is developed by Google and is released by Google. And the point of that is that Google wants us to use these AI. So once I download the AI to my computer, I can do whatever I want with it, and it doesn't cost me anything. And you can do the same. What you also can do, for example, is that you could maybe invest a little money, say 5,000 euros, into a computer that is a bit more powerful and install it in your office like a server. That means that everybody in the office will be able to use it. And here comes the answer. So now the AI has answered. And so let's look at the answer that the AI gave us. So let's just pick the first question here. Describe your experience with updating and maintaining websites. How do you ensure your work aligns with both functionality and aesthetic appeal? And then here comes what we should look for. Focus on a specific example of website maintenance or development. Mention understanding user experience, accessibility, and performance. Very good. Now, let's say that we are missing security here. We are happy with the question and the hints that the AI has given us, but we also want to add security. So we can edit this reply that we got from the AI. So let's also just add and security. So this is also something that we want to look for. So we are able to edit the reply that we got from AI. We don't have to accept the reply that we get from the AI as it is. We can edit it. So once we have edited the AI, we want to use this content. So normally what you would do, you would select the answer like this, you would copy it and then paste it into a file and then save the file. But we don't have to do that here because we have a button called save this edited reply. And when I click the button, the whole reply will be saved to a file. So I'm going to do this now. I am clicking and we can see here that the file here is saved to my computer. So now that I have the file, I got the file without any copy pasting. I can share it with my colleagues. Maybe if I will not do the interviewing, maybe somebody else will. I can share the file with them. I can put it in a shared folder for the company so everybody can reach it. I can attach it to an email and send it to somebody. So this will allow a non-technical HR representative to do a technical interview. They will be able to ask technical questions and they will be able to determine whether the answers are good based on these hints that the AI has given us. So again, all this is completely free and you can add the AI to any workflow. So you can modify this particular workflow and adjust it to any other workflow where you would like to use it. And it can be in other departments. It doesn't have to be in HR. It can be anywhere. So if you want to ask me any questions, I'm going to type my email address here in the chat down here. It's ernst@locomotive.com. Locomotive with a Q and without an E at the end. Please send me your questions. I am looking forward to reading them and I am looking forward to answering them. So get in touch. Thank you for watching till the end and see you next time. Bye bye.